for creating 2D shapes in our Revit, okay, there are two different commands are for creating 2D shapes in our Revit. There are two different commands are there, ma. For creating 2D
Okay.
shapes in our
Okay.
Revit, there are two different commands
Two
are there.
different companies.
Okay, what are those? Are okay. First one is model line.
Okay.
Okay, first one is model line, and
Model.
next one is okay detail line. First one
Okay.
is model line,
Detail.
and second one is detail line. Okay, both the commands are used for creating 2D shapes in our Revit only.
Okay.
Okay, but see
Okay.
what is the important thing is, see for doing the same work, okay, no one will give you the same command for okay for the same work, na. There will be a difference
Yes.
between
Yes.
okay for both the commands, na. No one will give you okay for the same work two different individual commands, na.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to discuss about okay here both are used for creating 2D shapes only, ma. Even the model line is used for
Yes.
creating 2D shapes only. Even detail line is also used for creating 2D shapes only. But what is the difference between model line and the detail line is okay. What is the, how we can say the difference is model line means okay whatever the if I
Okay.
create any shapes with the help of model line, ma, okay okay those
Okay.
shapes will appear shapes okay which okay shapes okay which
Appear.
okay, shapes. Okay, which we created. Shapes. Okay, which we created
Created.
will
Yes.
appears
Yes.
in
Okay.
both 2D and 3D end. Appears in
Okay.
both 2D
2D.
and
3D.
3D. Whatever the shapes we are creating will appears in both 2D and 3D.
2D and
Whereas 2D
3D.
means floor plans and floor plans and
Yes.
ceiling plans.
Ceiling fan.
Okay, whatever the shapes you are creating, whatever the 2D shapes you are creating, the shapes will appear both 2D and
Floor
3D.
plan.
Okay,
3D.
you
Yes.
can see that in
Yes.
the okay. If you create that in floor plan, you can see that in floor plan as well as you can see that in 3D view. If you create that
3D.
okay model line in the ceiling plan means you can see that in the ceiling plan as well as you can see that in the 3D view also. Okay, na
Okay.
it will appear both 2D and 3D.
3D.
Okay, na next. Okay, then detail line means okay then detail line means
Detail.
the shapes which we are creating. Okay, shapes.
Okay.
Okay, shapes.
Which
Okay, which we are creating, which we are
we are.
creating. Okay, will appear
Okay.
only in
In detail.
2D. Only in
Okay.
it
2D.
will appears only in 2D. Ma.
2D.
It means it may be in the floor plan or it may be in the.
Ceiling plan.
It means if you create that shape in floor plan means it will appear only in floor plan. If you create that shape
Okay.
in ceiling plan means it will appear
Ceiling plan.
okay it will appear only in
Ceiling
ceiling
plan
plan.
only.
Okay, na floor plan and
Okay.
ceiling plan. Na? That is the meaning of.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, that is the okay. That is the meaning of model line and detail line. Okay, na?
Detail line. Okay.
Okay. See, we will discuss about okay about this both the commands as a individual commands, Nana. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. For
Okay, sir.
that first command. Okay, for that okay the first command we are going to discuss is first command name. Okay, we are going to discuss is okay model
Line.
line.
Model line.
Keyword for the model line is okay li. Keyword for the model line
Okay.
is L
Li.
and the location of this command is architectural tab. Okay, architectural tab. Model panel, you can see this one.
Okay.
You can see this command in architectural tab,
Model.
model.
Model plan.
Okay, model
Panel.
panel.
Sorry.
So whereas if you go to okay this detail line now, if you go to detail line,
Detail line.
okay, this command will appear in. Okay, this command will okay. Next the command is detail line.
Detail line.
Keyword is DL and will appears
Okay.
in annotate tab.
Okay.
Okay, annotate tab. Okay, detail panel and
Okay.
okay. Now, okay,
Okay,
open the
sir.
Revit now. Okay, in the previous class, we have already told you about how to open a new
Yes, sir.
yeah, MEP file. Na? How to open a new MEP file?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how to open a new
File and
MEP
new.
file? Go to application menu button. Okay, go to
File.
file,
File.
new,
New. And
project,
project.
then,
And we have to browse
then,
up level.
Click on up one level, then
upper level. Then we have to select the English Imperial.
if you want to create the project with Imperial setting means you need to open
Yes.
English
Yes.
Imperial, or in older
English
versions it
Imperial.
will be US Imperial. There will be a folder with a name called US
Yes.
Imperial. Later, if you want to
Oh,
create the project with metric units means here you need to open English,
English.
or in older versions there will be a folder with a name called US metric.
Okay.
Okay, now
Metric. Okay. Okay. So
now
we'll
open
go now
US
English
Imperial now.
Imperial.
For our MEP
Then system
file, we need to select,
system default.
click on open, and then click on
System.
OK. Okay, like
Okay.
this we can create a empty, okay, blank MEP file. Okay, now in this one, now I'm going to show you the usage of model line and usage of detail line. Nana. For that, where is the
Okay.
location of command I have told you for the model line? Nana, where is the location? See there, it will appear in architectural tab,
Architectural
model
tab.
panel.
Model
This
panel.
is our
Yes.
architectural tab, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is our model panel. Na. Here you
Model
can
panel.
see
Yes.
model line.
Model
Na.
line.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
with the help of model line, I'm creating one shape like this. Nana.
Okay.
I'm creating one square-like arrangement like this. Now go to the 3D
Okay.
view. Okay, now you can see that shape in the floor plan as well as in the 3D view also, na? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next,
Yes, yes.
next. Okay, let us go to what is the next? What is the next command and where is the location?
Detail line command next is
Annotate tab,
annotate it,
detail panel, and
detail panel,
detail line.
and detail line.
Okay, here I am creating one circle arrangement, Nana.
Okay, sir.
Now go to the 3D view. Can you find that
It's not.
circle?
No, sir. I cannot find. It's not appearing here.
Means, okay, if we create any shape with the help of model line means, okay, that will appear
Okay.
in both 2D and
3D.
3D. But whereas if I create any shape with the help of detail line means, it will appear only in
2D.
2D. Okay, na? Clear?
But yeah,
Sir,
sir. But what is the purpose, sir, for this
uh,
detail line?
here the important question is what is the purpose of in which kind of conditions we are
Work.
going to use the model line, and which kind of
Yes.
location, okay, application, okay, positions we are going to use the detail line. That is the important thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this model line will be used by generally this model line will be used by architects for creating 2D designs on the 3D wall. And okay,
Okay.
this will be used by used by
Used by
architects
architects.
architects for creating, okay, for creating 2D designs
2D designs.
on the
Okay.
3D
3D model.
walls. It means
Walls.
after construction of the wall, some people want to write, okay, some people want to create 2D idols, na?
Yes, sir.
Some people want to create the 2D idols, like Ganapati Bomma.
Yes.
Okay, some people after construction of the wall in the front elevation, they want to create that, okay, the shape, 2D shape of a, okay, Lord Vigneshwara, like that. We will write now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, for that cases, we can use this.
Okay, okay.
Okay, model line. Whereas,
Okay.
okay, when it comes to the detail line, okay, most of the
Okay.
cases, okay, it will be, it will be used by, it will be used by MEP people. It will be
Okay.
used by MEP people for making markings and for
Okay.
making
Marking.
marking. Okay, what it mean? Markings. Okay, what it mean? For example, okay, let us take I have a room like this. Let us take I
Okay.
have a room like this. Okay, now in this room, what is my electrical engineer is suggesting me is he want to place two ceiling fans in this room, Nana.
Yes, sir.
In this room, what is my electrical engineer is suggesting me is to place
To see
two ceiling plans.
ceiling.
In general, how we will place the ceiling plans in this particular room? How we will place? I need to place
Ceiling.
properly.
Properly, yeah, in the center of the room.
Okay,
Properly.
generally what we are going to do from the center. Okay, from the
Yes.
center of this room,
Room.
we will draw a line
One
between center to center like
line.
this. Na?
Yes, from that line, center point, we will create the circle.
Again, what we will do, we will make a cross mark like this.
Yes.
We'll make a cross mark like
Yes.
this. In this cross mark, we are going to place our
Ceiling fan.
ceiling plan na. ఇలా పెడతాం కదండి.
Yes.
Like this, we are going to place our ceiling fan
Yes.
here over here and here over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Generally, what is the use of these particular lines? Why we have used these lines?
To just only just as a
Only
marking,
marking, right? Do I need to
marking
see
only.
that marking lines in 3D?
No, no need.
Not necessary, na. For that
Yes.
cases, we are
Okay.
going to
Okay.
use this. For that cases
So let.
only, we are going to use this detail lines. Okay, so
Okay.
that
Okay.
after placing the component, it is not okay. No need of showing these
Yes.
lines,
No
na.
need. Yes. Yes.
Clear? Ah?
In that, yeah. In that case, if you use the model line instead of using the
It will appear in
detail
3D
line, it
also,
will
na.
appear in. Yes. Yes. It will
It will
make
causes confusion
create
for
some
us. Okay.
confusion. Agree. Agree, sir. Thank you.
Okay, na. Next.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next. Okay, and not only that, okay, this detail line is used, okay, not only for placing the markings and even this will be used for giving detailed drawings also, Nandi.
Okay.
This will be used for
Use
creating
for creating
detailed drawings.
detailed drawings.
For creating detailed,
Detailed drawings.
for creating detailed drawings. Okay, here the first concept is what is the meaning of detailed drawings? Okay, okay, here
Yes.
in this room we want to place two ceiling fans, na?
Yes.
Okay, whenever we are installing the ceiling plans, okay, whenever we are installing the ceiling fans, are we going to attach them directly to the slab?
No.
No. Generally, how we will install?
So there is some
Vertical
connections
hanging
and
rods will
pipes
be
for
there.
the ceiling. Yes, between the rod slab and the fan between there is some
There
rod.
will be a slab. Na? Did I given you that?
Yes, sir.
What should be the height of that rod?
Should be less than 2 feet.
Here did I okay? Here did I show that?
No.
No, na. Okay,
No. No.
and okay, can you give me guarantee that in all the projects it will be it will be the same?
Not sure, sir.
Not sure now because depending upon the
Yes.
ceiling condition and
Yes.
depending upon the room
Yes.
condition, sometimes the thing connecting rod height will be 1 feet, sometimes it will be one and a half,
Sometimes.
sometimes it will be
Yes. Sir.
2 feet, sometimes it will be two
Yes.
and a half to three also, right?
Exactly. It's depend on the room height also.
And the room height and fall ceiling heights, na
Exactly.
slab
Yes, sir.
heights, na right?
Yes.
But we are
Yes.
not able
Yes.
to show that in the top view, right? Okay, now where we are going to see this? Okay, now where okay, what we are going to do is at what height we need to hang that from the slab. Generally, for
Okay.
hanging the slab inside the inside the slab, first we need to put an anchor fastener. Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we need to put an anchor fastener. Then we need to go with a bolt, and then we need to hang the
Yes.
connecting rod. Okay, sir, that
Yes.
suspending rod, and that
Yes.
there only we are going to hang the ceiling. Na?
Yes,
What
sir.
should be the height and what is the anchor fastener size? We will show all the detailed representation in the detailed drawing. Na?
Detailed drawing. Okay.
Okay, we will show all those detailed representation in the detailed
Detailed.
drawing. Okay, for creating the detailed drawings also, for creating those kind of detailing drawings also, okay, we are going to use this detail line. Okay, na
Okay. Okay.
clear?
Clear. Clear, sir.